Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week
on a brighter side.
Last week's thought-provoking question was, when do sacrifices turn into slavery?
Sacrifices, a self-inflicted slavery or a self-redemptive effort?
Oh, I love that. Self-redemption? This week, time to flip the script. Sacrifices. When do they lead us to salvation? It's a journey that moves us through our spirit, emotions, mind and body, and even our social circles.
That's right, MJ. Sacrifices. At first glance, they seem like losses, something we give up. What if those very sacrifices are the key to unlocking our salvation? Think about it, spiritually. When we let go of our ego and our desires, aren't we creating space for something even greater? Humility, accepting our current situation. Even if it means cutting away the old, rotten branches, like pruning a tree. Cutting away the old to let new growth thrive. And who exemplifies sacrifice to salvation better than anyone? Jesus. He sacrificed everything, his body, his blood. He redeemed us all for our old rotten selves, for our salvation. Jesus Christ, our Redeemer, the perfect and powerful example of sacrifice to salvation. Who can top that? Certainly no one. Emotionally, sacrifice can be just as transformative. Sometimes we have to release relationships, habits, or our deepest fears to truly heal and grow. Imagine letting go of toxic relationship. It's painful, but it's a step toward finding real peace and connection. It's like shedding our old skin to reveal something stronger and more beautiful underneath. Well said, MJ. And let's not forget the physical side. Picture someone who's neglected their health for years, finally committing to a health routine. It's tough at first, waking up, pushing through soreness, but those sacrifices can lead to a life full of energy and vitality. Or think about someone recovering from a major illness. The journey is painful, but every step forward is a step toward renewed strength.
And socially, sometimes we have to make the hardest sacrifices. Standing up for what is right, even if it means standing alone or distancing from a toxic crowd. It's tough, but those sacrifices can lead to a life that's more aligned to who we truly are. You're surrounded with people who are uplifting us and supporting us.
So when do sacrifices turn into salvation? It's when we realize what we're letting go of is actually leading us to something better, something that resonates in our deepest truth. It's about trusting the process and knowing that today's pain could be the foundation of tomorrow's salvation.
Well said, Sean. To ourselves and viewers, we hope this sparks some reflection on each of our own journeys. Remember, the hardest steps often lead us to greatest victories.
For our 8K before 8 a.m., how'd we do?
Oh my God. Today we're not doing much, but we'll still be walking towards 8 p.m. And somebody laughed at us today because we're not doing the 8,000 steps before actually 8 a.m. So we'll try harder. Until next week, guys. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.